folder labeled Behavior Motivation with hundreds of videos dating back 3 years. Videos of 12-year-olds being forced to humiliate themselves, while classmates laughed and cheered. Mom asked Mrs. Henderson to stop. The teacher laughed and said it was an approved disciplinary technique that taught consequences. The kids loved it. See how engaged they were? That's when Mom noticed Jake's best friend Tyler standing at the front, tears streaming down his face. Someone had just bid $50 to make him call his dad and say he was gay. Tyler's dad was a pastor who'd already sent his older brother to conversion camp, and Mom walked to the front of the room and took Tyler's hand. Nobody's calling anybody. This ends now. Mrs. Henderson tried to block her. You're just a substitute. You don't understand modern teaching methods. Mom looked her dead in the eye and said loud enough for everyone to hear. Making children torture each other for entertainment isn't teaching. It's abuse. She pulled out her own phone and started filming. She got Mrs. Henderson admitting she'd been doing this for years. She filmed the teacher's laptop showing the folder with 847 videos. She even got 2 kids to confirm they'd been forced to do things that made them feel unsafe, while Mrs. Henderson laughed. Mrs. Henderson panicked